Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to fix an airlock in your spa. An airlock happens when pockets of air get trapped in the circulation pump line by filling the tub incorrectly. When this happens, the power and ready lights or logo lights start flashing because of the low water flow condition. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: a small towel or rag. If your power and ready lights are flashing like this, you may have an airlock. Step 1. Open the spa cover and remove the filter lid. Step 2. Remove the cap and filter on the gray standpipe. Step 3. Unthread the gray standpipe by turning it counterclockwise. It may take a lot of force if it has never been removed before. Step 4. Place your garden hose all the way down as far as you can into the standpipe fitting. Step 5. Turn the water on full blast and wrap a rag tightly around the hose to force all air out of the circulation pump line. You should see bubbles coming up from the drain. Step 6. After you see bubbles coming up from the drain, you can turn the water off and remove the garden hose. If it was an airlock, the power and ready lights would stop flashing and flow would be restored. If the power and ready lights are still flashing, you could have dirty filters, a bad circ pump, or a bad pressure switch. In this case, we have a solid red power light, which means the airlock is gone and flow has been restored. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.